Hello everyone, welcome to Stars and Cars. Today on the show, I have a 2019 Lexus RX 350 all-wheel drive. I mean, this car is gorgeous. All right, so I'm gonna show you everything about it, all the gadgets, everything. Then I'll tell you why it's a good purchase and it's a good car for Lagos. Let's hop in, come on. This is the 4th generation Lexus RX 350 all-wheel drive. It's equipped with all the luxury goodies that we know Lexus for. And of course, Lexus is a luxury department of Toyota. So durability is something you don't have to worry about. This car is bulletproof. Okay, this car can run forever. All the buttons, everything stays working and never breaks. Nothing breaks in Lexus. So this one has all the safety features of modern cars, like lane departing, parking sensor, rear view camera, of course, plush leather seats, 8-speed automatic. This car is V6 3.5 liters with 297 horsepower, 247 pound-feet of torque. I need to look that up, but I'm close. And of course, it has this big infotainment here. You have your Bluetooth, no Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. I think that is in the 2021, 22 and beyond. But this hooks up to your Bluetooth well, and you can still stream your music. It just doesn't have, Apple CarPlay, which is all right, whatever. But it's a beautiful car, as you see. It's just amazing, wood panel, all this high quality plastic, wood grain, cup holders, and this is how you control. A lot of people hate this infotainment knob here, right? They hate it because it's just, it should be touch screen, but whatever. They know what they're doing, I guess. So some people like it, but most people just hate it. I get a lot of complaints about it. So that's pretty much it. Power window, auto, up and down. The mirrors, closes, power lift gate. It's just all the bells and whistles that comes with this car. It's just an amazing car, see? Nice. I don't know what material this is. It's not Alcantara, but it's something like it. It's really nice, and it just feels very comfortable and luxurious in this car. I can drive this for a long time, honestly. It's a good place to be. The cabin is very nice. The AC is insane, as we know what Lexus brings in terms of that. So it's really beautiful. Cup holders everywhere, about a door pocket, side door pocket, airbags everywhere, curtain, airbags, just all the safety stuff. I mean, this car is just incredible. It's so beautiful and well made. The steering wheel is solid, all right, and you have your volume control here. You can change your CD player here, and of course, then you have voice control here. Like, you can use your voice to talk to it. It's an amazing car, right? So, and this is the reason I think this car is probably the best SUV that you can have in Lagos. This is one car that you don't have to worry about. The parts, it doesn't break, so you don't need to buy any part. It doesn't break. It's an amazing car, and I'd definitely recommend it to us Lagosians because you know what the roads are like. So you want a car that's durable, and this one comes equipped with 20-inch wheels, so the tires are very big, so you can really walk over anything. And that's pretty much it. So I'm going to show you around to the back so you can see how comfortable it is. Right, so I'm in the back seat now. It's very comfortable. I'm like 6'1", so this is how I seat in the car, and anyone sitting behind me will be very comfortable. I think the seats, does it recline? Oh yeah, okay, it was reclined, but now if I keep it at a regular, okay, well, is that the way it works? Okay, well, I guess this is the regular. Aha, this is how you recline it. So, anyone can still sit behind me and be comfortable. Lots of leg room. I don't feel cramped back here. Then well, we have the air vents over here for the back, for the rear passengers, and cigarette lighter. No USB port. I don't know why they didn't put it, but yeah, Lexus. Right, then you have the armrest here with cup holders, you know, 2 cups, and you know, just quality leather. Like, it's really comfortable. So well, this is the back seat. You can see it's very comfortable. Headroom is there. My hat can really like hang, I guess. Yes, it's really nice back here. Yeah, I can be chauffeured in this one. It's nice. All right, so let me show you the trunk and you see how spacious it is. So this is how you open it. This is the key fob. All right, you hit this button, hold, power trunk. Okay, come take a look. So excuse the trunk. So these shoes, they were damaged, so I'm supposed to throw them out, but I haven't because I'm emotional about it. But yeah, so for the most part, you have, like, you know, extra spaces, the extra tire, you know, little cubby, whatever you want to put in there. And let's see how big it is, if it can fit a person. It can fit a person though. Don't get any ideas too. Don't go around putting people in your trunk, all right? This is just for space reasons. Just picture me as a luggage, right? Boom. And it fits. I just banged my head, oh God. Okay. All right, then of course you can, if you have more things you want to put in here, maybe you're moving from your little apartment to the next one, you can put a whole bunch of stuff here. Boom, you see that close? Okay, so there's the thing. I don't know how to open that one, but let me try something, because you have to see. See, more space to carry all your stuff. All right, then let me show you something else too. So if you have like a ski and you don't want to put all the seat down, you can close this middle one for more luggage. Let's say you have like a wood something that you want to put in a car that is long, or maybe an iron, whatever your need may be, I don't know. But this is what you do. And just one button, tap it, it closes. Okay? So there you have it. So this is the key. To get inside the car, just have the key in your possession and pull on the door. It opens automatically. All right, and if you want to lock it, you close the door, you just push this button like this, the mirror folds, the door is locked. So it's very convenient. Just put the key in your pocket or in your purse and you're good to go. So allow me to show you the most important part of this car, the power plant. This is a V6 3.5 liter with 297 horsepower and 268 pound-feet of torque. So this engine gets up and is naturally aspirated. There's no turbochargers, no supercharged. These are the last of the Mohicans, because very soon all these internal combustions will be obsolete. All right, and it's an amazing car, as you know, as you can see. So that's the review of this car, all the perks and features you've seen, right? Now it's time to test drive. So happy, let's go. So this is my personal favorite part, where I get to test the speed of this car, 0 to 100 kilometers. Let me put my seatbelt on first, all right? Don't try this at home now. I'm a professional driver. All right, got my seatbelt on. Okay, all right. So I gotta set the timer, show them the timer. This timer is courtesy of Google. So we're gonna start. You ready? Okay, I gotta put the car in sport mode. Sport mode, baby. Look. The light changes when you, all right, so this is economy. Then when you put it in sport mode, red. danger. Let's go. Okay, I gotta let the road clear up a little bit. All right, then we're gonna start the timer. Woo. I'm scared. I'm not. I'm a professional. Okay, let's go. Woo! Woo! What? So 7.9 seconds. Not bad. That was intense. So see you next time. The best time. I'm Steve Shaw. Peace out.